张总，非常感谢你对我的照顾，我敬你一杯。
没事，毕竟是老外。
In China, when drinking and clicking glasses with others, lower your glass to show the respect for another person. If the another person is on the same level to you, or inferior as you, or even younger than you, then your glass can be slightly higher. According to the Chinese traditional custom, a junior or a new employee, when clicking glasses with others, the glass must be lower than everyone else. There are some newcomers in the workplace who like to put their glass high at the wine table. So although nobody talk about it, other people will think that this person has no rules and not well educated.
用语：姓总、张总、陈总、王总、李总，请谁一杯？请你一杯，请张总一杯。生词：感谢、照顾、没事儿、老外。